Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ira and this video is winter styling outfit ideas for 2025. Happy New Year everyone. तो इस वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू बी सेग्रीगेटिंग द वीडियो इन लॉट ऑफ सेक्शंस सो दैट देयर इज समथिंग फॉर एवरीवन. तो इसमें हम बहुत सारी स्टाइलिंग करेंगे स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मिनी स्कर्ट्स, ड्रेसेस, लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स एंड कुर्तीज एंड पैंट्स, ट्राउजर्स. सारी चीज़ों को लेकर हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्वेटर्स के साथ बहुत ही कूल और शीक लुक बनाएंगे दैट लुक्स वेरी अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर पार्टीज, फॉर कैजुअल डे आउट्स और एवरीथिंग. दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. सारे आउटफिट्स बहुत वेरेबल होंगे. दे विल नॉट बी इम्प्रैक्टिकल एंड लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन शोइंग आउटफिट्स जिसमें आपको एक्चुअली ठंड में बाहर स्टेप करते समय नहीं पहन सकते. दे विल नॉट बी सच आउटफिट्स. दे विल बी वेरी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. दे विल कीप यू वार्म and despite that they will still look very cool, very put together, very fashionable, I guess, if I can say so. Also, like some outfits are like almost ramp walk outfits, like you're walking out of some fashion show. वैसे outfits भी मैंने डाले हुए हैं and very very practical. You can wear it to college, office, school. Also, the star of this outfit will be this fleece legging which you're seeing on your screen, because बहुत सारे outfits के साथ, for example जो mini skirts हैं या फिर जो long skirts हैं, उनके साथ ये बहुत अच्छे से चला जाता है बिकॉज योर लेग्स आर नॉट शोइंग एंड कीप यू वार्म. और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, इवन इफ इट इज़ वेरी वेरी कोल्ड, तो आप इसको जीन्स के नीचे भी पहन सकते हो बिकॉज इट हैज़ लाइक फुल टो कवर्ड. इट कैन गिव यू डबल इंसुलेशन. उसके ऊपर आप अपने सॉक्स पहन सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन वेयर योर जीन्स. So it's going to be a very very practical fun ride. Let's just get into it. So this is the first look and this look is like a soft girl girly look जो कि हम Pond's के ads में नहीं देखते थे, winter creams के, cold creams के ad में, like the very soft soft girly feathery kind of look. क्योंकि ये sweater है, it is a fuzzy furry sweater, so it also matches that vibe. And then the combination of pink and white वो भी बहुत soft girl vibe देता है. Also like very Korean vibe, you know what I mean, like the Korean vibe with a pop of color pink. So that's why this outfit is very very beautiful. It can be a birthday outfit, New Year outfit, Christmas party outfit as well. I think it is very appropriate for a cute birthday outfit. So इसके साथ मैंने, because the look is very very soft girl, the makeup is also very soft, light nude lips and like a little eyeliner I've done. You can do eyeliner or kajal, but don't do both because it will look too much for this kind of a look, which is very subtle and soft girl look. So I'd prefer like a light eyeliner, brown eyeliner. और साथ में मैंने ना बहुत ही हल्की मिनिमल गोल्ड ज्वेलरी रखी, लाइक दिस वॉच एंड सम रिंग्स ऑन बोथ ऑफ माई हैंड्स. And just because the makeup is minimal and the jewelry is very minimal, I'm just wearing this earring which is like a little over the top and statement. इसके साथ for sandwich dressing, since the top is white, I'm wearing a white footwear. ये platform heels हैं. And to keep me warm, of course, the star of this entire video will be these stockings. तो ये स्टॉकिंग्स मुझे, दीज आर फ्लीस स्टॉकिंग, दे आर कीपिंग मी वेरी वेरी वार्म एंड सो दे विल गो विद मोस्ट ऑफ द स्कर्ट आउटफिट्स दैट यू गोना सी इन दिस वीडियो. And that's how the whole look turns out and I think it looks beautiful and stunning. साथ में मैंने बालों को soft curls दिए हैं and these are like overnight curls, these are not heat curls. And if you want a video, do let me know, I can do that as well for you. And I'm carrying this very light beige, almost off-whitish bag with it because it goes with the vibe very well. So white on top, white on the bottom, and the white bag are just balancing it, and there's a pop of color in pink. Here you can also do, like if you want to really go all out, you can do really pop pink lips, like that one that matches your skirt. Then you can do glitter and highlighter also, then it'll be really pop outfit, maybe a birthday outfit or like something like that. I think I really like this outfit. Let me show you the next one. This is outfit number 2 and this is also my favorite. I think it gives you like a complete strawberry vibe. You look like a strawberry cake or strawberry. But yeah, coming back to the point that this is an oversized furry fuzzy sweater, so this gives very cozy kind of vibe. I think it is very appropriate for Christmas also because उसमें तो red color ही होता है main. Otherwise also you can wear it for your birthdays and also New Year. तो इसके बहुत सारे तरीके हैं tuck करने के ना. I'm wearing it with my flared skirt as I already showed you. So now you can wear it like this as well and you can also tuck it inside. So I'll show you how to tuck, but first let's get the cap. So I'm going to go all out and this is going to be like a very different outfit from the one that we did first. That was like a very soft girl outfit. This is like a very very, because red is associated with boldness, so this is a very cute outfit but it is a little bold and little out there. So yeah, after I wear my cap, you can ditch the earrings because you don't need to क्योंकि कान तो cover ही रहेंगे. And this is how it looks. I think it looks really really cute and it also sheds away a lot of years from your age. Like you look a little younger because of the oversized sweater and of course this little skirt and all of those. So I've started again with the fleece legging and these heels, क्योंकि skirts तो आप winter में बिना fleece के साथ नहीं पहन सकते क्योंकि ठंड काफ़ी होती है. Now let's look at the second look in this only. So we're going to create a tuck जो कि एक structured waist की illusion देगा. जैसे अभी ना ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि मेरी कोई waist है, just looks like unstructured, a little unstructured. So if you want, like for people who want to like give a little structure to their outfit, you can take the end of the sweater and just grab it up, और जहाँ पे आपने स्कर्ट डाली है उसके अंदर उसको हल्का सा टक कर लो बहुत नीटली फ्लैट करके, एंड देन इट विल हैंग आउट लाइक दिस. आप इसको थोड़ा सा फैब्रिक एडजस्ट कर लो. अच्छे का फैब्रिक है, यू कैन लेट इट बी लाइक दैट. दैट्स हाउ आई लाइक टू डू. एंड नाउ इट्स गिविंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर एंड अ डिफाइंड वेस्ट लाइन कि because I have stuck it on my waist, so now it gives like a little really nice silhouette to your entire जो loose oversized vibe थी पहले की, उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा डेफिनेशन और स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है. आई थिंक इट लुक्स रियली कूल. अच्छा, इसको ना मैंने अभी हील्स के साथ पेयर किया है. यू कैन ऑल्सो वेयर इट विद कॉम्बैट बूट्स. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्यूट आउटफिट एंड कीप्स यू रियली वार्म बिकॉज ऑफ द कैप एज वेल. सो यू कैन पिक एंड चूज वेयर यू कैन वेयर इट. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट इज अ सुप्रीमली अमेजिंग आउटफिट. कोई भी विंटर लुक ब्लैक कलर के बिना कैसे कंप्लीट हो सकता है. तो दिस इज मोनोक्रोमैटिक बट नॉट कम्प्लीटली मोनोक्रोमैटिक बिकॉज वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ अदर कलर्स इन द स्कर्ट. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर इसमें क्रॉप्ड स्वेटर है, तो आई एम वेयरिंग माई thermal inside and the fleece legging on top of it. So first layer is already done, and then on top of it I'm wearing this high neck. It's for like really cold days, and then you have this nice cute skirt. साथ में मैंने cross body bag लिया है ऐसे पहनकर. You can wear it cross body. I think it looks even more stylish. And this cap, इससे ना बहुत ज़्यादा कान तो कवर नहीं होते, but it keeps your head warm for sure. तो फॉर दिस यू कैन ऑल्सो कैरी अ मफलर इफ़ यू वांट, बट मुझे लगता है कि मफलर की ज़रूरत नहीं बिकॉज माई हेयर इज़ लॉन्ग इनफ, तो मेरे कान वैसे भी कवर्ड रहते हैं. सो आई ऑल्सो माइनस द ईयरिंग फ्रॉम दिस लुक एंड इट मेक्स इट लुक वेरी वेरी कूल एंड कोहेसिव. साथ में मैंने ब्लैक हील्स पहनी है स्टिलेटो. आई थिंक कॉम्बैट बूट्स विल ऑल्सो गो वेरी वेल विद दिस आउटफिट. सो दिस इज हाउ द लुक इज. आई एम वेयरिंग वेरी मिनिमल गोल्ड ज्वेलरी एंड जस्ट अ वॉच, एंड आई थिंक आई जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. Black color is definitely one color that is a winter color properly because गर्मियों में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता, but आप definitely black को winters में अच्छे से flaunt कर सकते हो. So this is the look. I think it looks really really nice and very very functional. कुछ looks तो like they look like a runway look and they are very functional also. They keep you very warm, very safe, very protected. Nothing is showing off except for my face and just these two hands. So very very functional for winters. So this is a beautiful outfit again, and let's move on to the fourth outfit in the skirts section. Next is this look number 4 in skirts, and it is a grey palette as you can see. I think I love this look because it's very corporate. Like you can wear it not everyday office because short skirts probably, but yeah, you can wear it to office parties because this screams very very like it is very structured and it screams very corporate, you know, this thing. And you can also wear it for colleges. अपने colleges में fleece leggings के साथ तो obviously it's very very modest because you're wearing it with leggings. And then इसके साथ ये oversized crop sweater है. I love the vibe of oversized crop sweaters. है तो ये crop because it's here, so my waist is very much visible and defined. It's structure दिख रहा है waist का, but it is oversized from the sleeves as you can see. So it gives a very very cozy and you know comforting look जो कि winter में आपको चाहिए होता है. अंदर आपने thermal की एक layer तो पहनी है, and then on top of it this. अगर बहुत ठंड है तो you can also layer it with the overcoat, long overcoat. But right now I think this is really good because you have one layer of thermal, then one layer of your top and skirt, and then on top of it your sweater. इस लुक की अमेजिंग बात ये है कि ये स्वेटर क्रॉप्ड है तो आपको टक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपकी वेस्ट ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड और दिख रही है. एंड अनदर थिंग इज द स्कर्ट जिसके साथ आपने इसको पेयर किया है मैंने समय, विच हैज़ अ लाइक इतना चौड़ा सा वहाँ पे एक बेल्ट है लाइक दिस. यहाँ से नीचे से स्केटर होती है बट यहाँ पे एक चौड़ी सी बेल्ट है, तो विच इज़ फर्दर एडिंग मोर डेफिनेशन एंड फ्लैटनेस टू योर वेस्ट. तो एक अच्छे से वेस्ट अलग से डिफाइन हो रही है. डोंट नीड एनी बेल्ट, यू डोंट नीड एनी टक, इट्स ऑलरेडी देयर. एंड नीचे जाके स्केटर हो रही है तो इट वाज आल्सो गिविंग दैट क्यूट स्कर्ट वाला वाइब. इट्स वेरी वेरी फॉर्मल एंड वेरी पुट टुगेदर लुक. आई रियली लव इट. दिस इज व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू लुक लाइक when I'm going for an event or a meeting because this looks really nice and it's a really empowering also. I like it, and the color is not completely black, but also gray is another color that you can add for your winter wardrobe, because again you can wear it very nicely in winters as opposed to summers. So let's move on to the next outfit. So this is look number 5. I think this is really cute. इसमें मैंने skirt है, this is a skirt, and I'm wearing it again with the fleece legging and this sweater. It is also very cute and warm. White and pink is a very soft girl combination that you can try, but this is not a pop pink. This is really that very soft lip balm वाला pink होता है ना, एकदम light सी sheen वाला, again that Pond's वाला. This is that pink जो हमने सबसे पहले पहना था. That was more of a pop pink, but this is like a really soft day look and very nice, beautiful. इसको आप pearls के साथ style कर सकते हो. I'm ditching the earrings because I really don't think I need it, because chunky sweater. I'm just wearing some rings and a watch, that's it. And that's how I've styled it with these white heels or white bag, which is tying the outfit together. I think it looks really pretty. You can add on pink lips. I'm wearing nude right now. So I think this is a beautiful outfit, very cute, really soft look. For dates also is a very good option. So let's move on to the next outfit. Moving on to the section of dresses. This is a dress that I have and it is sleeveless. It's like a dungaree dress, and I can also wear it with a high neck inside, but right now I've chosen to make it look like a checkered skirt because I'm wearing it with this hat as well, and then I have my bag. और ये जो sweater है, this particular high neck is a little oversized, तो ये उस dress के अंदर wouldn't look like very seamless, but if you have like a fitted sweater, fitted high neck, then you can wear it under also, and that will also look very cool. But I really wanted to give it like a checkered skirt because this is in trend in 2025. Plaid checkered skirts are back in trend, so that's what I wanted to create, but not buying something new, but trying to recreate with using all of your creativity and using something from your wardrobe only. So that's how I created this checkered skirt from a dress, and then I styled it like this with a crossbody bag and साथ में white platform heels, and again the fleece legging which will go with all the dresses also in the dresses section. And I think this look looks really cool. Again, this is also a very out of the runway, out of a fashion magazine look. It looks very pretty. So let's move on to the next look. Also, if you're liking the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the red button here, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. In the dresses section, now let's move on to some mid-length dresses that are little longer, like midi dresses beyond your knees. तो this is one such dress. ये मैंने H&M से ली थी, and I styled it with this beautiful cardigan. This is a fuzzy cardigan. Okay, now tell me, long dresses with cardigans are a vibe, aren't they? So yeah, it gives very English. वो जो English थोड़े पुराने टाइम की मूवीज़ नहीं होती थी, उस टाइप की वाइब देता है मुझे लगता है long dresses with these kind of cardigan. So इस cardigan में, because it's more like a shrug cardigan, इसमें buttons नहीं है, तो it hangs till here, which I love. It is appropriate for not very cold winters. As you can see, the neck is open and everything. So it is appropriate for the light winters, like the Feb वाला winters या फिर इधर November, October वाले winters जो होते हैं. So it's something like that. I really love this. Again, I'm wearing the fleece legging because feet warm रखना तो ज़रूरी है. I like it. I like my feet to be warm. And this is how it looks. I styled with a black heel again. And then क्योंकि इसका neck खुला हुआ है, तो this time I've added a little dainty chain here, which makes the look so much more elegant and pretty. I just love this outfit, and this is a skater dress, so it has some definition over here on my bust area. तो इसलिए ये loose oversized cardigan और नीचे flared को पूरे अच्छे से balance करता है, the structured stitching that is here ruching on the chest. And I love this outfit as well. It also gives that pop of color, and also always whenever in doubt, blue and grey is a great classy combination to pair together. Now let's move on to the next outfit. And next is this beautiful lace dress जो कि usually summers में ही रह जाती हैं, and winters में you can't wear that much lace now, but who says so? Let's defy the norms. Let's try to style this lace dress with a sweater. So this is how I have styled it. Again, fleece legging, और ये beige color की dress है, तो I'm carrying a light beige bag, and I think white and beige is such a beautiful combination. It's a very classy combination. इस वीडियो में अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो मैंने आपको बहुत अच्छे कुछ combinations के भी ideas दिए, like blue and grey, which is a very classy combination. It looks very nice when you put it together. And then white and beige, of course white and pink everybody knows, and then there's one more coming in the pants section that I'll show you. But then this is very pretty, and white and beige is a very very classy combination. If you want to look really polished and put together and thoda sa premium rich, wo old money vibes deni hai, to white and beige is that combination. I really love this look, and it is really really luxury and premium because lace again is luxury, and the juxtaposition of the fabrics, the lace and the fuzzy sweater also adds a lot of people to look at, okay, wow, that's something different, that's something new, that looks nice. So that's about it. I love this outfit. Let's move on to the next one. I call this look sticking with the norms but make it Korean. So this is a Korean sweater, beautiful Korean sweater that I got from H&M, and I probably put the link of the things that are available, and I've styled it with leather pants because leather pants and winters go so well together, and I'm wearing these platform heels. I think the ruffle detail of this sweater is just so beautiful and elegant. It's completely white or black ka jo contrast hota hai na, it's so eye-catching. I feel I just love this look. This is one of my favorites because leather pants are so chic and they make you look like a runway model again, because leather is that premium, and it's not leather actually, this is fox leather, because obviously we do not want to encourage buying pure leather and all of those things. We care about the planets, animals, and everybody is important. So yeah, fox leather pants and this Korean sweater, and this is such a beautiful beautiful look that I think is my favorite in the pants section. So now let's move on to the next. So this is the beautiful next look with leather pants. I've styled it with a high neck kurti sweater. This is a short kurti kind of a high neck sweater. I love the detailing on the sleeves. Maroon and black is another beautiful combination that I feel is very appropriate for nights and winters again. So I love this look. It is like a short kurti. I think it is very very appropriate for college. अगर आपको leather pants नहीं पहनी है, you can wear black fitted denim jeans also with this, or leggings also, like those latex leggings होती हैं that you can wear. And if you don't want to wear leather into college, but if you want to make it like a really nice night outfit, party outfit, slightly थोड़ा सा casual घर की parties उस type का, तो then you can wear it with leather pants as well. Otherwise you can skip the leather pants and wear it with skinny black jeans, and this is an amazing outfit. It is so good. Why? Because it's like a short kurti and with a high neck, तो गरम भी बहुत है, गला भी protected है, everything, and stylish भी बहुत है. So let's move on to the next outfit. Again, this is my another favorite. I think I have a lot of favorites in this video. I know you've been listening me say this again and again, but this is a beautiful outfit for any party. You can look like a showstopper if it's your own party. Just throw on this shawl. किसने बोला shawls boring होनी चाहिए? Look at this furry beautiful shawl. इसके border पे एक beautiful सा contrasting fur है. There is like a coffee color and then dark brown and then white. इन तीन colors का combination है इस fur में, तो it's just not a simple black fur या white fur, which makes it even more prettier. और इसका blush pink color है. अब इसको पहनने के लिए मैंने क्या किया कि base outfit को इसी blush pink color के एक lighter tone में select किया. I have a blush pink jeans. This is from Zara, and this sweater is also blush pink, and both of them match. They look like a quad set. This is your base layer. Of course, if it's very cold, you can wear a fleece legging inside. This is a cashmere shawl, so it's really really warm. It's very warm, and I'm wearing it with white platforms because obviously पूरा tone light है, तो white ही जाएगा इसके साथ better. And then I'm carrying this light beige bag. I think it looks very beautiful. This looks like a stunner outfit, and आप इसको ना सामने से pin लगा के you can also give it a kaftan look. But right now I am just wearing it like so. अगर you can also like cover it up completely अगर आपको ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है, neck open है, या फिर रात में late हो रही है that time. But this look is so appropriate for night parties and day parties because of the look, a light color, it really stands out. So I love this look. Let's move on to the next one. Moving on to the pants section, and another define the norms and another great combination outfit. This is a linen trouser, but you can wear it with your fleece leggings. I styled with this beautiful purple sweater, so talking about the color combination. And this is how the outfit looks. I think it's a really really fun outfit. So let's move on to the next. Moving on to the last and short section of the kurti section, otherwise the video will be too long. I have styled this beautiful Kashmiri coat kurti with these black leggings and a black high neck turtleneck. You can also wear it with a proper high neck sweater, fitted high neck sweater, or you can also wear it with long black kurtis, plain kurtis with leggings. So right now, because the Kashmiri vibe and so much printed ethnic wear going on, I've changed the earrings to a little more fun. This is the silver jewelry. इसमें भी same print है जैसे कुर्ती का है, pink and blue का, and a beautiful ring. And I think this looks really really beautiful, professor look. कि इसके साथ आप एक स्कार्फ नॉट करके भी, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू कॉलेज, टीचिंग, इवन इफ़ यू आर स्टडिंग, आई थिंक दिस फिट्स अ लॉट ऑफ बिल्स. This looks very appropriate for meetings also, and ethnic, Lori functions, all of those. I think it's a very pretty look, and it's very warm also. तो आप इसको ओपन करके ऐसे लेयर की तरह भी पहन सकते हैं. यू कैन क्लोज इट ऑल्सो, यू कैन स्टाइल इट विद अ लेयर्ड नेकलेस ऑल्सो. आई प्रिफर्ड फॉर अ ईयरिंग बिकॉज दिस इज ऑलरेडी so printed. I wanted to stand out. That's why I'm keeping the base minimal, and I absolutely love it. So that's about the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Till the next time, bye bye, take care.